What's going on, Watch Nerds? I just wanted to share with you guys something that I've been using for a little bit, but I haven't actually shown you guys. I got one of these presses from the old Amazon, and, well, compared to the Bergeon 5700, I don't know why you would pay for the name, honestly. Yeah, this thing is great. Comes with so many different little utensils that you can use for so many different case sizes. All these little blocks have numbers on them corresponding to case size, and they work just fantabulous. Here, I shall show you. I shall demonstrate for you. Use case. It works best with spring bars in the case, and if you're not using spring bars, or if you don't have spring bars in the case, I find the one down actually works pretty good. And then, as you can see on the side, it'll just sit there on the side of the block. So that works. You can do that as well, but using spring bars, you get a proper fit, and it works great. Yeah, I can't do that. That's probably copyrighted. But you get all kinds of, yeah, come on now. All kinds of different tips for different case backs. You know, you can just make sure you're using the ones that you need. They slip in. They only slip in one way. Tighten them down where you need them. And this thing just works great. I would use two hands and just keep a downward pressure, and you're using two hands, and that's not going to slip. Now it is super tight on there. Just like so. Done and done. And in reverse, it is just, what the heck am I doing here? It's just as simple in reverse. Reverse. I give it a little bit of a turn and then come straight up, so you're never scratching even the inside of the lugs. No, that works beautifully. The inside of the lugs, inside of the... You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Now, here's the other thing. The price of the Bergeon is ridiculous. I'll put that up here, and I'll put the price of this one up here, and you can see what I'm saying. And this is what I got with it, okay? Including this, which is a whole nother thing entirely. This is all the all of this kind of case back, like the rollies. So, and this adapter here is, this just pulls out, and you swap that adapter into here. And this is all fully adjustable. You know, if you want to keep this way down there, you can keep it there. So, for the money saved, this is an absolute no-brainer. I mean, yeah. There you go. It's made of the highest quality Chinesium, but it does the exact same thing for not even a tenth of the price. So just wanted to share with you guys, because that's a huge savings you can have for yourself. It's the exact same thing. Oh, and this here, I'll put the price for that up right here, because this doesn't come with the Bergeon kit. This is this much too. So it's ridiculous how much was saved by going to Amazon, or I hate to say, but even AliExpress. You'll find the exact same thing. I did Amazon because I found it on sale and no shipping. AliExpress would have cost me an extra $40, $50 just in shipping, just because of the weight of it. So there you are. I'm sure you guys, somebody out there without a doubt, can definitely appreciate the information on the upgrade. Take advantage of it, you guys. it's well worth it if you're doing, you know, a fair number of these cases. Trying to do them all by hand is a little too tricky. You'll slip far too many times. Anyway, thanks everybody. Cheers. Love y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.